PXN Xbox steering wheel, V3II 180 degrees PC gaming racing wheel driving wheel, with linear pedals and racing paddles for PC, PS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series 10, Nintendo Switch, black. Tired of playing racing games with a boring old controller? The PXN Xbox steering wheel V3II brings the thrill of the track right to your fingertips. With 180 degrees rotation, realistic linear pedals, and paddle shifters, this wheel delivers an immersive driving experience. Whether you're drifting in Forza Horizon, conquering Euro Truck Simulator, or speeding through Mario Kart on Switch. Why gamers love it? Multi-platform mastery, works on PC, PS4, Xbox, and Switch. Authentic feel, rubber grip wheel, force feedback, and sturdy suction cup base. Plug and play. No complicated setup. Just race. Perfect for casual racers and sim enthusiasts alike. The PXN version 3.2 is your ticket to heart-pounding, edge-of-your-seat action. Ready to shift gears and dominate the track? Buckle up. Your ultimate racing adventure starts here. Unboxing and first impressions. Steering wheel. 180 degrees rotation, rubber grip. Pedal set. Accelerator plus brake, linear resistance. USB cable. Non-removable, approximately 10 feet long. Power adapter, required for force feedback. U-clamp and suction cups for desk mounting. User manual. Performance and compatibility. Plug and play with most racing games. Supports X input, default, and D input. Switch by holding home button. Euro Truck Simulator 2. Great force feedback. F1 2023. Decent precision but lacks 900 degrees rotation. Forza Horizon 5. Fun, but not as immersive as high-end wheels. Officially licensed for Xbox. Best for Forza Horizon 5 and F1 games. 180 degrees rotation limits realism. Hardcore sim racers may want more. Works with Gran Turismo 7 and Dirt Rally. Vibration feedback adds immersion but not true force feedback. Surprisingly fun for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. No force feedback but paddle shifters work well. Build quality and ergonomics. Material: ABS plastic with rubberized coating. Buttons: 2 front buttons plus paddle shifters. Rotation: 180 degrees. Not ideal for sim racing. Linear resistance: not pressure sensitive. No clutch pedal. Disappointing for manual gearbox fans. 7 suction cups. Can slip if not on a smooth surface. U-clamp is more stable but requires a thick desk. Best budget option? PXN V3II. Best for realism? Logitech G29. Best mid-range? Thrustmaster T150. Final verdict: who should buy it? Buy if you want a cheap multi-platform wheel, you play casually, Forza, Mario Kart, ETS2. You don't need 900 degrees rotation or a clutch pedal. Avoid if you're a hardcore sim racer, get a Logitech G29 instead. You want premium force feedback. You need a clutch pedal rating, 7.5/10. A great entry-level wheel for casual racers, but hardcore fans will want more. Conclusion: should you buy the PXN V3II? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, multi-platform racing wheel, the PXN version 3.2 is a solid choice. It won't replace a Logitech G29 for serious sim racing, but for casual gamers who play across Xbox, PlayStation, and Switch, it's a fun, affordable way to enhance your racing experience.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.